Hello. I'm just trying out some new software today, so bear with me whilst I learn how this new software operates. So it's literally 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees centigrade here at the moment, so I figured I would do a video and chill out in the air conditioning whilst it's the hottest it's been in a hell of a long time. Now, this is for you, this video, to get your makeup website up and running, and just wanting to help you out really. And I thought if I ran through a few of the websites where we can go initially and get started for you, it would make the whole thing a lot easier, hopefully, for you to understand. So first up, this is not the best location for me to have this one. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of things. Okay, let's move me down there. Okay, let's try that now. Okay, so what we need to do is, why is that still up there? Okay, so over here at easymarketer.com, I'll put all the links in the box or the chat or something rather afterwards, so just have a look for that, and all the links will be there for you. Now, this particular company here is run by a colleague of mine who makes sure that things are really, really cost effective for us small business owners. Now, the awesome thing about this particular one is that at the moment, if you go to easymarketer.com, I've actually got a code which is SLAYEM, SLAYEM, that you can use for lifetime hosting for $49 US. So that's super, super cheap, whereas most people charge like $10, $12, $15, $20 US a month for hosting. So this keeps it nice and cost effective for you to actually have your website running and minimize your ongoing costs on a monthly basis. So what you want to do here is go down to this web hosting site, and you can go through and sign up there and get all your hosting sorted. Now, the other thing is too that this particular website offers is your actual domain name. So if you wanted to have www.slay with a disability, whatever it is, .com or anything else that you're wanting as a website domain name, you can also purchase it through this particular company at the one time that you're purchasing your hosting, and it's all connected up together and integrated together so that you don't have to go and connect the domain name to the hosting, which you usually do. So that saves a lot of hassle with doing that through this particular company. And also you can get your email set up there through once you've actually purchased it all too. So I'm pretty sure you can just have however many emails you like anyway. Rob's pretty easygoing about that kind of thing too. So just depending on if you want, 1 or 2 or 10, you can do all that also. So strongly recommend you go to this website, easymarketer.com, and you use the code called SLAYEM, and like I said, I will hook that all up for you put all these links down for you in the chat afterwards. Now, next what you want to do is actually go and let's just go back up here to the top. Is purchase a theme for your website. Oh my gosh, it doesn't want to go back up to the top. Okay, now this particular theme, Divi, is so incredibly super cool. It's so multifaceted for whichever way you want to take your website in the future. There's so much information on this website. I'll let you go through and work that out of what it does and what it doesn't do and all that kind of thing. There's just so many options. Like a lot of big websites are actually run on this particular theme because it's so versatile, and it can grow with your website too. So even if you're just starting up with something basic at the moment, you can customize your look to be just really simple and clean and whatnot for right now. And then as you grow and your brand develops over time, you don't have to keep on changing the theme. You can use this theme as you go. And you don't have to keep on changing it. Whereas a lot of times when you are building a website, people recommend certain themes, but then they don't really grow with you and the business, and you have to change themes, and then it costs like thousands of dollars each time that you do that. And so that really sucks. You don't want to do that. So just scrolling down here, sorry, just to get to the price for you. Yes, so the price here is $89 per year. And this is actually the whole membership per year for elegantthemes.com. It's not just for Divi. So there are a whole heap of other themes in there also, but I strongly recommend that you just get the Divi theme. And like I said, it's the most versatile out there right now for putting in opt-in pages and landing pages, sales pages, videos, integrating products for sale on your website, integrating any of your meetings that you want to have with people, like your paid makeup classes and that kind of thing too. And obviously lifetime access is $249. Okay, now the next component that you will be needing on your site is an SSL certificate. Now the SSL certificate means it's basically just a secure link for your website. Let me just go here for a second and I'll just show you really briefly what you need to do. I've just changed over a million of my sites and I'm in the process of actually getting more changed over to these guys to save me a bucket load of cash every month. Now, when you are in the back end here, after signing up with Rob, it says here you can actually get here an SSL certificate installation for a domain name. Now that's what you want to do, and if I wanted to do it for Malissa.tv, it's just $20. Okay, now it's just so easy just to get them to just install that for you if you don't know what you're doing with SSL certificates. It can be just a little bit techie. It's not over the top, but for $20, I'd rather just pay someone to go and do that for me and not even bother about having to worry about that. But you will need the SSL certificate to sell things on your website so that credit cards can be processed and things like that, and you don't get error warnings and all sorts of fun things. Now, the next thing is part of the selling. So if you want to actually sell your own products, which I've seen you starting to do from your Facebook page, the best option for that, there's a little bug flying around, which is amazing. The best option for that is this particular company here called WooCommerce.com. Now, it is free to actually get started, and there is all sorts of things, again, that you can do with WooCommerce. You can integrate it with a lot of other websites like Amazon and different posting options and different fulfillment by Amazon and Facebook and PayPal and blah, blah, blah. There's all sorts of things there that you can actually do. And mostly those upgrades are paid for. So not everything with WooCommerce is free, but it's free to get started with. And the two critical things here that you want to note is it accepts Stripe and PayPal. Those would be your two primary pay options with your website that are the simplest to get started with, that most people accept with these particular website options and functions and things like that too. So, and on that note, that's what we actually are talking about next, is actually going to stripe.com. So this is, as you can see, it's linking directly to an Australian account right now, so it might be a little bit different for the US account. I don't know if it will work. No, it doesn't want to. Okay, so this is a credit card processing tool, okay? Don't worry about all this particular code, okay, because you don't need to worry about that. It's just freaking you out on the front page unnecessarily. Ultimately, all you do is that you sign in with your login and details and things like that once you've actually got an account, and you integrate that with the likes of Divi and WooCommerce and whatnot, and it's the same with PayPal. So if you've got a PayPal business account, you log in to those business accounts and you follow the process through WooCommerce, which is really simple. You find a particular secret key in the back end of your Stripe account, and when you find that secret key, you integrate that, or you copy and paste that into your WooCommerce account and or your Divi account and different things like that to actually get your payments accepted through your website. So there's a few things there that make that really, really simple. Now, the next thing that we want to talk about is that I see that you refer a lot of people to different makeups products that you purchase, of mascara and obviously eyeliner, foundation, brushes, blah, 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 whatever it is. Now, I'm not sure if you're aware, but you can actually make a commission every time you recommend something on Amazon. And it is really, really simple to get started with that particular process also. So you just go to here, Amazon Associates, which is this URL again. I'll put all those links in at the end. And you follow all the instructions, you sign up and you go through and you join now for free over here. And what happens is that every time you put these links out, you can't necessarily put them, I think, on Facebook directly. I can't remember how Facebook's treating them at the moment. They're getting a bit funny with links. Ah, boy. I can't log in at the moment. Which one? I've got so many different options of logging in. It's ridiculous. But what happens is that Amazon comes up with a toolbar. Oh, there it is there. Okay, so here it is here. So it comes up with a quick link search for products. So if you want to type in MAC Cosmetics, what you can do, and you go, oh yeah, cool. This is Mini Prep and Prime. I really like that option. I'm going to get that link. Shortened to Amazon.to. Okay, so there's that link there. Copy and paste. And then you can just go and put that into anywhere you want on Facebook or Snapchat or Twitter or wherever else you want it to be. And then you get a commission every time somebody goes to that link and purchases that through that link. Now, what's really cool is too that some people don't understand or don't realize is that when people actually go to the Amazon website, and even if they don't immediately purchase that particular product that you've recommended to them, if they purchase something within, I think it's 60 days, you will actually get a percentage of whatever it is they purchase within that particular time frame. So even if people go and purchase, toilet paper or kids' toys or, GoPros or gardening gloves or I don't know, whatever else they're going to go purchase, because Amazon's already put the cookie onto their website, onto their computer, you get a percentage of all the stuff that they purchase over that period of time. So you really want to be putting out there your Amazon links all the time to the products that you recommend so that you can get this commission happening. And super, super simple to do, as you can see. Now, the other thing is to, when you are doing your videos and you want to like have a particular style, like a particular Christmas style or Halloween style or that kind of thing, there's a cool option over here called Kitcom. And what you do is you, each of these kit boards, just type in makeup. Each of these boards has actually got oh geez, there's not much here for makeup, but okay, whatever. These are all different recommendations for, oh, here we go, kits. There we go. Night Owl makeup tutorial. So on here, it says there's 15 items, and each of these has an affiliate link to this person's recommendations on Amazon. So they're going to make money each time somebody clicks on one of these products and goes to Amazon and looks at those particular products. So a really great way for you to set up your kits. Don't use other people's kits because you won't get the commission. You want to set up your own kits or kit boards here rather, and put your products in there to the particular looks that are relevant for the makeup videos that you do. And then you again will get and then it's just a very simple share button whenever it wants to show up there. We'll buy all on Amazon and whatnot. Okay, so yeah, you can just share those boards on your Facebook page, like, hey, check out this or check out that, blah blah blah. And if people love the look, they can just buy it all in one go. It's not a hassle for them to do that. It's really, really simple then, and kind of thoughtless. I mean, a lot of us have got an Amazon account. You just click in and you just buy what you want. Away it goes. It's not a problem. Yeah, so that's the affiliate. That's the kit. Okay, now finally, your scheduling of your makeup appointments. Now, this is a really brilliant tool. What I love about this is that it integrates with Stripe and PayPal and all that kind of thing. Now, simply, it schedules your makeup appointments and classes with people. And you can have one person or you can have 5 people in a makeup class in one go, or 10 or whatever you want. So if you want to do virtual classes online privately, you could do that. And it takes the payment for you at the same time, which is really, really great because it means then you can schedule everything to be however you want it to be, whenever your schedule allows it to be, at whatever price point too. Now, it's $15 a month, which I think is ridiculously cheap, and it's just one calendar. So it just means you at your calendar option. There's options for, multi people and whatnot, which is not what you need. It's not what I wanted to do. I want to go here, advanced features. Now, whoa, that was an awesome bounce back. Okay, so here with advanced features, you can see that it accepts PayPal, Square, and Stripe. So those are the options that we were looking at before, like I said, particularly PayPal and Stripe for taking people's payments. It also lets you, there's something buzzing here. It also lets you upsell people to different options too. So maybe it's, buy 2 classes, get the 3rd one free. Maybe you offer you can offer other coupons and vouchers and discounts and things like that to your classes. And it also has like a intake booking form too, so that you can actually ask, how experienced are people, what makeup are they using, are they interested in makeup for work or going out, or all that kind of thing too. So there's a bunch of options there. Syncs with Google Calendar, which most people are using anyway for calendars, and a whole bunch of other online meeting options, which we can discuss at another time if you want to discuss that. So yeah, it's pretty simple getting all this sort of stuff set up. Like I said, I just wanted to let you know how that all worked, and yeah, just get you started with it. And if you have any other problems or questions or challenges or whatnot with regards to any of this stuff, give me a message back and let me know, because I do this stuff all the time, and it's really simple for me to do, to integrate all this kind of stuff and get that sorted for people. So yeah, let me know where you're at with it, and I'd love to hear if you are going to go down this route, or if there's something else you're looking at. And yeah, enjoy, and I will talk to you probably at this stage after Christmas, but have fun. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.